Hello and welcome to the third and final video in our EBS series, this one on accessing timetables with me, Fran Bove, the Senior Practitioner for ILT at the Bournemouth and Poole College. In our previous video we showed you how to access the reports function and how to access different class lists by selecting from the menu on the left hand side. In this video we're going to look at how to generate a BP63 and also how to access different timetables. The BP63 can be found under the enrolments folder. There are a variety of different BP63s, but the one that most staff are most likely to use is the withdrawal form. The withdrawal form generates a page that looks like this, and as you can see from the options, you must select the current academic year and input the person code. That is the student's individual ID. You may remember from our first video that by searching for a student in Learner Search on the home page of EBS, we can get their learner number from here, and by pressing Ctrl C we can paste it into here by pressing Ctrl V. I don't know whether this will work because Darth Vader is not a real student enrolled at the college, but obviously this, as with most of the reports, takes a few minutes to generate. In the meantime, let's look at timetables. The list of timetables is quite long. However, the main ones that we will be using as teaching staff will be timetable for staff. That allows us to see any staff member's timetable, timetable for room, and timetable for course. We must ensure that we use the ones that end in BPC, as there are staff ones and room ones that don't, and they won't generate a report that's any use to you. To return back to our withdrawal form, you'll see all the relevant information is here, and we can instantly print that form by selecting the print option. Back to timetables then. If I wanted to see what my timetable was, I could select timetable for staff, and then from a series of drop down menus, ensuring I choose the correct academic year, I find myself in the list of staff, and then I must choose which week I want my timetable for. If your timetable is the same throughout the year, then you can select all. However, if your timetable changes, I recommend that you only select to choose the weeks in which you wish to see the timetable for. And as with all the reports, at this point you must click the View Report button in the top right hand corner, and your timetable will be displayed in the screen. Obviously, it is a little difficult to read, so we can zoom in by using the zoom function and then scrolling across our timetable. As with the other reports, our timetable can also be exported into a PDF file or a Word document or even Excel. This means that you can save your timetable to your L drive or your memory stick, and also of course print it easily wherever you want. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this series of videos helpful.